Hey everyone, Wireless Productions here. We're going to do a product review on this beautiful Racetech 9119 racing seat. As you can see closely, this is the carbon Kevlar version with the yellow and black weave. This seat is FIA certified or rated, and it also has a back mount provision so you can tie it to your roll cage and make it a lot stiffer and safer in the event of a crash. There you go, you can see the Racetech logo. It's a 119 seat. The 9119 is the carbon Kevlar version. The 4119 that we have in the Cuda is a fiberglass version as well. This particular seat has the air vent. The 119 seats have this air vent as well. This particular seat though is about 14 pounds. The one in the Cuda is about twice as much, so I'm thinking 28 pounds. I have to get a scale and weigh them just to be absolutely sure, but I think that's what it is in the specifications. If you look closely, the seats are being weighed down by Racetech 6-point Pro Hans harnesses that they sent us, which you can see here. If I didn't have these harnesses, the seat would just topple over, so I just put them there. But here are the harnesses as well that Racetech sent us. This is the silver webbing material, very beautiful. It's hard to see in camera, but it glistens so much when you look at it in the light. These particular harnesses are going to go onto the 73 Challenger build. We also have a version in black. The harnesses come in different colors as well: red, green, blue, I believe orange, I think yellow, but the silver ones are by far my favorite, personal favorite. The black's okay, but these silver ones really stand out in the light. Very, very nice set that will go into the 73 Challenger build. But this is just a quick little product review. Very grateful to Mr. Brian Olashak at Racetech USA and everybody at Racetech New Zealand for working with us and letting us be a dealer. We sell these seats as well as all of Racetech's products. If you guys need any assistance or help with these seats, or getting some seats for your race build, make sure to get in touch with us. Wireless Productions, wirelesspro.com. Alright guys, see you later.